What is up, everyone? How is it going? I hope everything is good. The Mustang is there. Say hello. Looks good. Anyways, today is going to be crazy. I am heading out, picking up some friends, and then we are heading to some car meets. It's Friday, so there gotta be some car meets. Hopefully, we can do something that is really crazy. I don't know where we end up, where we will go, but I'll show you around. We'll figure out something. So let's head there and let's go now. As I told you, we are picking up some friends. Then we will go and find a car meet. I think there is a car meet with some classic cars. It's gonna be something interesting. Let's head there, let's see. Usually on Fridays there are many car meets, especially at this time of year where the weather is really good. Let's see. Guys, we arrived at the destination right now. Looks like it's fun. I picked up two of my friends. Let's go check the cars out. So let's go.
It may seem like you're under some kind of spell. You're walking on sunshine, feeling extra well. You're all smiles, happy as you can be. Feels like a dream, but can't you see that it's just me? It's just me. Yeah, it's just me. Yeah, I have that effect on people. It really is just me. You probably feel like you've been blessed by the gods above. You're riding high and your heart is full of love. You're bubbling over with joy, just like a child with a brand new toy. It's so unreal that you can't see that it's just me.
Guys, this place is lit up. We've got all these American cars. There's two Skylines. I don't know why they are here. I think the place is quite crazy. I don't know if you can hear me. It's pretty loud. I hope the mic can pick it up, but we have all these American muscle cars and Japanese cars. I don't know why, but anyways, I hope you're liking it. The place is really crazy. We like it here. Just seeing all these awesome cars. It's like going back in history, but it's great. Anyways, let's continue looking.
It's just me. You've been civilized, baby. Welcome to civilization. Hey, said it ain't the weekend, and it ain't the wine. Said it's not the food you eat, making you feel so fine. It's not your favorite song playing on the radio. It's not a hard day's work or a good night's sleep. No, darling, it's just me. It's just me. It's just me. It's just me. Now you go about your day, caught up in a trance. Your head over heels, daydreaming about our romance. You're over the moon, running around, singing my tune. You think it's a fantasy, oh darling, it's just me. It's just me. Really, baby, it's just me. It's just me. It's just me.
Audiences, the parades, the ceremonies.
The DJ here? Let's go, let's go. Nice. Good to meet you.
Thank you, sir.
This guy is our DJ. What's your name?
My name is Nick.
Nick.
I do the speakers and the microphones, but I'll be a DJ.
That's really great. Unfortunately, we might not post any of the music, maybe a little of it, but
Yeah.
I'm wishing not to have it. He was explaining, about if we could use it or not. But yeah, awesome show and awesome everything. And thank you for everything, Nick.
Thank you.
Thank you. And welcome to Bahrain.
Thank you.
He's actually, he told me you are from Qatar.
Yeah, we're stationed at Qatar, and
Yeah.
we go all around the Middle East performing music at events like this. And this is such an awesome event. All these cars, all these people, these beautiful lights.
Yeah.
We're really happy to be here.
Great.
Really happy.
We're lucky to have you guys
Thank
here
you.
to perform for us.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Back again.
Share that vintage dream. La di la di 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 di. La di la di 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 di. La da 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 di. La di la di back in the day. Your whiskey neat. The lights were dimmed as our eyes met and you saw me. And forevermore, I like to share that vintage dream. And forevermore, we're living in that vintage dream.
I actually love the color in this car. Let's check it from the front. I love the color.
But then out of the blue, who strolls down the boulevard but you? Your place is closer than mine. Why don't we go there and have some more wine? 'Cause life is for living. Let's see where the sun might lead. Let's see where the sun might lead. Waking up to
Is
a
it good?
brand
Huh?
new
It's always good.
day in between your sheets, breaking up in the best of ways, and I'm back again on the street. But then out of the blue, a wind starts blowing in ways so new. A world more exciting than mine is holding up a great big welcome inside. Life is for living. Let's see where the sun might lead.
of these one day. There's one car. Everything is American, but there's one car. Check this one out. I guess these two made it in. I don't know how. Maybe they got some Ford engines.
Piso nessa areia fina, vejo no mar uma menina. Doce Bahia. Vejo um dominó na esquina e um banguelo sorrindo de alegria. Doce Bahia. No alto da ladeira, aperitivo e piscina. Enquanto na ondina tem jacaré e capelinha. No alto da ladeira, aperitivo e piscina. Enquanto na ondina tem jacaré e capelinha. Sinto do Abaeté o cheiro do acarajé da Cira. Doce Bahia. O pivete é o meu filho. Dá um troco e fecha o vidro. Doce Bahia. No alto da ladeira, aperitivo e piscina. Enquanto na ondina tem jacaré e capilinha. No alto da ladeira, aperitivo e piscina. Enquanto na ondina tem jacaré e capelinha. Tem jacaré e capelinha. Tem jacaré e capelinha.
خاف على الجامعة نزلها لا هاي طارق خوينا تو ماخذ الاصفر ها؟
اي خذ الحمر والاصفر.